If you are interested in learning how to freeze your location on Snapchat, you are in the right place. Let's go through the steps. Open Snapchat and navigate to the map interface by clicking on the icon with the map in the lower left corner. Once in the map interface, click on the settings in the top right corner to access the settings page. In the settings page, you will find various options related to the location settings. Locate the top line called Ghost Mode. Enabling Ghost Mode allows your friends to see your last active location. Turn on this function and click on Until Turned Off to keep it active continuously. Close the Snapchat app. Open your device's settings. On iPhone, the interface looks a certain way. On Android, it might look slightly different. Find the list of your apps. On the iPhone, you can scroll down to find Snapchat. Locate the option called Location in the Snapchat settings. Depending on your device, you might find it in different places. Click on it. Within the location settings, find the option that says Allow Location Access and choose Never. This ensures that your location won't be accessed. Close the settings. Now open Snapchat and it will display your location. Note that you might need to grant permission once more. By following these steps, you've successfully frozen your location on Snapchat. If you ever want to unfreeze it, simply click on Allow and adjust the settings again. Your location will be updated. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye!